We're looking at a comprehensive range of products designed with meeting rooms and huddle spaces in mind. The PUV-1600 HDBaseT Extender Series features multi-format inputs, a transmission distance of up to 100 meters and 4K support. For increased flexibility, this system features multi-format inputs, including HDMI, DisplayPort and VGA. Reverse power adds to the flexibility. When your power is coming from the receiver, this makes it much easier to freely position the transmitter. Effective auto switching between the various inputs makes it easy for the user to display their content on the presentation screen. For simple room automation, selected models can be configured to send out simple commands to third-party devices, such as screens, lighting, or window blinds. Simply plug in a source and let our product do the rest. This is ideal for creating a simple-to-use meeting space. The flagship 1650 models are feature-rich, including environmental control and various other control options. From simple plug-and-play to more advanced meeting room systems, the PUV-1600 series has the right models for the application. A simple yet flexible solution to modern meeting room spaces. Please visit www.cypeurope.com for more information.